Hello, I'm Joyce Rossen, a certified counselor, and this is your Healthy Minute for today. There's no easy way to accept a lack of control, but it's a good idea to start trying. What really has to happen here is an acceptance and an understanding that we're not in control. That's the reality. We can do certain things to prevent the disease from spreading, but we can't guarantee it. The best thing to do in this case is to understand that uncertainty over COVID-19 doesn't mean a lack of options. This is a time of uncertainty and people feeling like nothing's under their control. So they should focus on what is in their control, like whether they spend time with friends or not, whether they get their exercise for the day or not, and trying to engage in things that will keep them from thinking about the issues that make them so anxious. May God bless you as you try these.